Hey Kanchana, how's it
Oh,
going?
hey Kaushik, how's it going?
It's pretty good. Process
How-
going really well. So,
How are the mountains treating you?
oh, the mountains are awesome. I mean, the mining part is a little scary, but apart from that, it's like a paid vacation. So it's pretty good. How's yours?
Oh, I'm not liking it
Why?
that much, but I guess because if people like you, things are going on fine here.
What do you mean by people like me?
It's all about the people, right?
Yeah.
Who you work with.
That's true. That's true. So, you know Shangdu, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. So he just joined a couple of years back, and he's a junior in our team. And luckily, I just bumped into him last night at the club at downtown, and yeah, we just started playing together.
Wow, that's nice. He's a good chap.
Oh yeah,
I mean,
he's
amazing,
a nice
brilliant
kid.
fellow.
Yeah.
And
He's going
his work
places.
is really exemplary. Very
Oh yeah,
good work.
definitely. He's going places.
Yeah.
So we were just talking, and he seems to be really unhappy lately,
Okay.
like during this office trip.
Is there something that I can help with?
Oh yeah, it's actually about you, and I'm not
Okay.
really comfortable talking about this, but
Okay.
I need to, right? Because I know you so well, and I respect you as a person and all that. So
Yes.
he was telling me that you were making some physical advances towards him, and
Okay.
yeah, I know, right? And I was feeling really uncomfortable, and I was just wondering if you were actually,
I don't know where this is going, but I know you know that I'm married.
definitely.
I have children.
I've met
And
you.
I'm 10 years older to him. Come on.
I mean, he's a great kid. He's an attractive young-looking man. So
Yes, I don't deny that, but that doesn't mean that just because he's attractive, I have to, advance towards him. I'm committed. I
yeah,
have a
but then-
family.
but then he's telling me that you're hugging him and physically being very inappropriate with him. So
Do you or does he have any proof against that? Because I don't think I've done that. I like keeping, I keep in touch with all of my teammates.
Listen. I know it's easy to be in denial mode right now, but the way things are going is really not going to happen. And Shangru is very, very, very pissed off right now. And whatever he's doing, it's scary for you. Because he might, for all you know, he might sue you and go to the HR.
What does he have against me? I mean,
I don't know what he has against you. You tell me. That's why I came to talk to you.
I really don't know. Where this conversation is going, but I really have no intentions with him. I don't know if he wants, if he's trying to flirt with me, but I don't have any such intentions with him, and I behave the same way I behave with you, with everyone else, with all my
Yes, I know,
counterparts.
but come on, give him a break. That kid's from India, and we have a lot of cultural differences here. It's not like the same in the US where you can keep hugging and touching everyone, you know that?
How does
You
that
know
make
what
a
I mean?
difference? I don't.
Like whatever you just now to me, like, touch my feet and all that. It's okay with me, but when it comes to Shangru, he might feel that's really
Yeah, but
awkward
that's
to him.
something he has to come and confront me with, right? Like just like how you told me now.
Yes,
And
but
how can
but
we
he's,
assume
come
things
on,
like that?
You're a 10-year senior to me, and it's really awkward for me to talk to you. Just imagine the poor kid talking to you about all this. He knows he's going to get fired, and he's going to get into the lion's den if he's going to come and talk to you.
I don't know. I really don't know where this is going, but he's a
No, I'll
good
tell you-
chap.
I'll
I
tell you
don't
where
know.
it's
I
going.
don't
No,
know
I'll
why
tell you-
he
I'll-
has anything
Kancana,
against
I'll,
me.
Kancana, I'll tell you where it's going. If you don't stop behaving the way you are with him right now, he might end up suing you and going to the HR. It's going to be a legal process from now on. Whatever this is happening right now, it's very informal, and this is just a warning. I'm not threatening you. I'm not accusing you, but all I'm trying to say is things have happened so far in the past with you and him, and not only me, everyone knows that in the company, and everyone sees it that
I
way.
don't see based on what facts you're talking.
Forget the facts.
How can
think
we
about
forget
it-
the facts?
Think about it as a
Kaushik?
hypothetical situation. What if he goes to the HR and sues
He does,
you?
but with what? I mean, what proof does he have
maybe
against
he has
me?
proof that he's not sharing with anyone unless you don't stop, right? Maybe the next time I come and talk to you, I'll have a video with me saying that he's done so much to you, right? Think
What
about
do you think I should do about this then?
it. Just talk to Shangru once. Just take him out for lunch. Just talk to Shangru once.
I'll be more than pleased to do that. But I mean, with what face shall I go towards him. I mean, I'm not a
No,
person who
if you're
flirts.
if you're feeling that there is a cultural difference, please take him out for lunch and forget lunch. It might send a wrong impression again. But take him to a meeting room in public, right? In the meeting room.
You want me to apologize to him?
Not
Come on.
apologize.
I haven't done anything
just have a
wrong.
conversation with him. How hard is it for you to have a conversation with him? Right? It's all for your better good. That's what I'm trying to say.
I get what you mean. I get your way of it, but I just don't see how you're not you believing me. And
It's forget believing you. I trust you completely. But when a kid who is just joined the company and he's a young looking man, attractive looking man, if he goes to the HR and sues you with some sort of proof, you're gonna be in deep shit. You could get divorced. You could lose your job. Right? Think about all the consequences.
okay.
I know that I'm 10 years younger than you, but I know how it is to have a crush on a girl and all that other man. But it's business is business, and I just hope that you keep it.
I guess I have to
So-
talk with him then.
Yes,
Just have a conversation.
you really have to, and that might help because the way things are right now, he's really unhappy, and that's why I'm talking to you in person. And if not for me talking to you in person, and if he did not find a person to talk to you, next thing you know, you get a mail from HR saying, come to this office. So just think about the consequences, and if you really feel that you're not at fault, I would say just go talk to him.
I know I'm not at
Either
fault,
ways,
but
either ways, just
either
go
ways,
talk to
yeah.
him. So,
Either ways, I think I have to talk with him.
yeah.
Thank you so much, Kaushik.
No problem. I just hope the good for you. So
Yeah, I know
just I'm sorry about
that. That's okay.
if this made you
No, that's okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.